Hi there, this is my lock, and this is one of the Squire 660s that I purchased a while ago that I've had trouble picking. I have managed to get it to open once or twice using front tension, um, like that, but for some reason the amount of tension this requires just twists the end of this. Um, I've also had trouble with the Andy Mac um, tool, and I don't want to damage the Andy Mac tool. So yeah, I was stumped for a while. There is, you could make a wire that goes up in here and tensions on the in the talon. But I was mentioning to Brummy on one of his videos the other day that I was having trouble picking these locks. Just the spring tension. If you can hear it, you can hear those levers slamming down after the bolt passes through. There's a good old snap to it. So they're brass levers, but the springs on the tail of the levers must be, pretty strong steel springs. So yeah, Brummy reminded me that there were alternative methods to picking these squires, and he reminded me that I actually did watch a video with Locknoob, and he used just an Allen wrench that would fit down. Let's move that closer. Yeah, he just used an Allen wrench that would fit down there between the shackle, and if you can get it in at an angle, you can put lateral pressure directly on the bolt. So, but yeah, if you can see the amount of pressure I'm actually putting on that Allen key, so I made a little cut down key blank picking tool. Right, so increasing the tension even further, and there we go. When it goes, it goes. But that's extreme tension. So I made this little tool. I'm going to send this to Joe Picks Locksport, just in case he ever comes across a Squire like this. He'll have the Locknoob method. I'll keep my Allen key. You can provide one of them, and yeah. So that was it. That's the alternative method for picking an old Squire. If it's like this and has incredibly strong tension requirements. A lot of these old Squires do take quite a lot of tension, but yeah, that was crazy tension. This is another one. This old, it's a lovely old Squire 660. Again, it's got the older star-shaped rivets, brass levers with it doesn't sound quite so bad, the springs on this, but again, I've tried front tensioning and it just doesn't seem to work. Unfortunately, with this one, the gap between the shackle isn't big enough. Can I get enough light down there? Yeah, the gap isn't big enough to get the Allen key in there. I'll try using a smaller Allen key and hope it's strong enough. But yeah, that's for another day, that one. But yeah, cheers, Brummy. Thanks for reminding me. So yeah, I'll send that picking tool to Joe. I'm making another one for myself. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.